All right, this is your final review number 10. It says the diagram shows triangle GHM and triangle JKM. The diagram is not to scale. We want to figure out what JK is. So we are looking for this length here, JK. We're going to assume that our triangle is similar, because otherwise why would we be doing this? So I know these two sides match, so I know I have JK over 3 as my first ratio. And then I know that this one and this one are in the same spot. So JK is on the same triangle as 1, and the one that's 3 is on the same triangle as a side length that is 5. We're going to go ahead and cross multiply those. So we're going to do 5 times JK. If you want, you can use X instead of JK. And then we're going to do 3 times 1, which is just 3. We have to move that 5 to the other side, so we're going to divide both sides by 5. And I get JK equals 3 over 5. And that should be my final answer, which is B.